This is Ideal Health Solutions, the podcast with Dr. Timothy L. Brown.
Welcome to Ideal Health Solutions, the podcast, the space where health, leadership, and purpose come together. This isn't just another podcast. This is a community, a conversation, a commitment to becoming better every single day. My name is Dr. Timothy Brown, and I'm honored you're here. I'm a healthcare executive, a mentor, a coach, a father, a husband, and a faith-driven leader who believes that true health is about far more than what happens in a doctor's office. Ideal Health Solutions, the podcast, is a high-energy, heart-centered show built for leaders, aspiring leaders, healthcare professionals, entrepreneurs, parents, or anyone navigating life while trying to lead well and live fully. Here's the reality, especially in healthcare and leadership spaces, we're dealing with workforce shortages, burnout, compliance pressures, quality challenges, operational strains, but beneath all of that, people are just tired. They're overwhelmed. They're trying to succeed professionally while holding life together personally. This podcast exists at the intersection of healthcare expertise and life coaching wisdom. We're talking leadership, health, wealth, faith, mental and emotional well-being, because success without alignment isn't success, it's survival. I've been blessed to serve in the healthcare industry for over 20 years, working with organizations, serving tens of thousands of employees, building workforce programs, teaching at the doctoral level, advising leaders, and helping systems grow. On paper, everything looked amazing, but life has a way of humbling you. One of the lowest points of my life came when I was unexpectedly laid off. At one of the hardest moments of my life, there was no warning, no safety net, just uncertainty and responsibility. That season forced me to pause, to pray, to reflect. And what I realized was this: my calling wasn't just to lead systems. It was to serve people walking through disruption. That moment reshaped my focus from climbing ladders to building leaders. This show is for people who believe growth is holistic. Purpose-driven leadership, faith and family, career pivots, marriage, parenting, loss, transition, and real life. We talk about all of these topics. We don't chase perfection here. We pursue progress. We're building a community that learns together, that grows together, and lifts each other when life hits us hard. And let me tell you, you do not want to miss what's coming. What's coming next is so powerful. I will have an opportunity to meet with national speakers and bring those national voices here for those who have stood the test of time. Navigating the career pivot is a topic that we'll be talking about with international speaker and author of The Accidental Solopreneur, Dennis Gielen. Leading with Purpose with transformational healthcare executive Ruth Christopolsky, who has over 35 years of experience in the healthcare industry. Courage on the Edge with global peace builder and philanthropist John Graham, international speaker as well, who has an amazing story of overcoming the test of time. And Healthcare Innovation Revolution with strategist and a Creative Edge founder, Andy Strunk. These are real conversations with people who have lived it and come out stronger. Listen, if you've ever felt stuck, burnout, uncertain about what's next, you are not alone. This podcast is here to remind you that your story isn't over. I invite you to follow Ideal Health Solutions, the podcast, share this episode, and join this growing community of leaders who believe health is holistic and purpose matters. Until next time, keep showing up, keep growing, and never stop striving to live an ideal life. If you enjoyed today's episode, be sure to follow Ideal Health Solutions, the podcast, wherever you listen. You can also connect with me on LinkedIn for more insights on leadership, health, and transformation. Until next time, stay inspired, stay focused, and remember, even in uncertainty, there's opportunity.